2 motorbikes inside?
Yeah, but if you notice...
So, but it doesn't have any motors on
well, that's what I was going to explain to you. Initially, when I opened that up, I got a guy that does my DMV lean cell stuff for me.
Okay.
And he came and looked at it. He goes, Danny, because we can't lean cell these. They have to have a motor. Because you got to have a motor number and you've got to have a frame number.
Right.
So he says, you couldn't lean sell these if you wanted to. So I talked to your people.
Okay.
And of course, they're not giving me any legal advice, but they said, they agreed. They said, we can't lean sell it, so you can go ahead and sell them. And that my lean sell guy told me the same thing. He goes, you can sell them. He goes, people buy them, they're either going to buy them for parts or they're going to put different engines on them and stuff. And when they do that, then they have to go to DMV with that engine number and the frame number and redo them anyway. So.
Okay, so that's what I wanted to make sure. Okay.
No, I have a guy that does my DMV stuff for me anytime I have an issue like that.
Gotcha. Yeah, I didn't think it was. I didn't think it was gonna be a problem, but I was just gonna. I took the pictures, and if there was, they would let you know.
No, we already been through that.
Cool. And that makes my job easier. Holy cow! Yeah, it's a lot of restoration. But if you got the time to do it, those could make some really nice copies.
Nothing I'd be restoring, but maybe, maybe they are old vintage things or something, but boy, they are hurting my luck.
This is random stuff.
Junk, you mean? That's what I see in here is junk. I hope somebody buys it so I don't have to handle it. Let me put it that way. They just hire you to do the pictures and stuff, or do you actually work for the company?
I work for the company.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Uh-oh. Getting a little kinky there.
Gonna have to wash my hands after that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do this. And I do the auction house.
Oh, okay.
So I'm a full-time employee.
Whole damn box of these bags, whatever these are.
Yeah, I pictured that.
What's this thing here? That's one of the nicer looking pieces together there.
Nothing. Yeah, it kind of does look like they just came through, took what they wanted.
Yeah, that's the only piece that looks like it ain't all busted to shit around here. Even that probably needs a lot of work done on it.
Most people that buy storage units, they just take it to the flea market and sell it anyways.
Really?
Yeah.
God, can't imagine why anybody would want to buy this thing.
I'd say you probably got about maybe $200 to $300 in there.